Hi friends, today I'm going to make fireworks in a jar. How exciting does that sound? The first thing I'm going to do is put 4 tablespoons of oil into this jar. Okay, so count with me. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then next, I'm just going to put some food coloring in there. So let's start with some yellow, and some green, and some blue, and now some red. But look, the food coloring didn't mix into the oil. There's little balls or spheres in there. So I'm just going to use my tablespoon and stir it up. But it still didn't mix. All it did was break them up into smaller balls and spheres. But that's okay, because oil and the food coloring won't mix. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this oil into my jar of water, and then we're going to watch for fireworks. Okay, it's all in there. How long do you think it's going to take for a firework to start? I have a white piece of paper to make it easier to see because of my red wall. Do you guys see the fireworks are starting? Oh my goodness. How cool is that, guys? I'll make sure to put the instructions in the description. So if you want to do it with your parents or an older sibling or an adult in your house, and they say it's okay. Look at how pretty that is. What's your favorite color in here? Do you think the colors are going to start mixing now that they're in the water?